Hello everyone, we've just finished commissioning this brand new solar installation in Lydney in the Forest of Dean. So I'm just going to show you what we've done here on this project and talk you through how it works. And yeah, if you have any sort of inquiries or want something similar, then let us know. So we have the SolarEdge Home Hub inverter up here. That's doing all of the work, converting the DC into AC for the house. We have a SolarEdge home battery here, and then we have another two over here as well. So there's 30 kilowatt hours of storage on this job. We've got 11 kilowatts peak on the roof in solar panels. So that's 22 panels over two different roofs. Optimizers for each panel as well. So we're sort of getting the best out of the panels we possibly can. And all of the SolarEdge kit sort of ties in seamlessly together. We've also got a backup interface as well. So should the grid go down here, because we are in the forest, it happens more often here than anywhere else, then what will happen is there'll be a short delay and all of the power will come back on in the property on its own. So that's the whole system really. We have fitted this trunk in here down the left hand side, which is where our mains comes in. Cables out to outside, that's actually bringing the solar cables down from above off the roof. They travel through into our DC isolators here to be able to isolate them, and then they'll obviously terminate into the inverter here. We also have our AC isolator and generation meter there, and then we've just to finish it off, we've just got these conduit drops here, which is for wiring the battery cabling as well. So as a whole system, it's pretty seamless in terms of you can't really see any cables apart from the essential ones for the inverter. We've also got a document holder there, which all of the MCS certificates, NICEIC certificates will go into, and all of the schematic diagrams as well for this system. So in here we have our consumer unit, which is a 3-tier consumer unit, and we also have the SolarEdge backup interface. What this system will do is it's in constant communication with the inverter. It's measuring the import and the export electricity of the house, but also if there's a grid outage, power cut, what it'll do is it'll detect that that has happened. It'll switch automatically over to backup mode. It'll shut off the grid cables, and then it will tell the inverter to start discharging the batteries. So essentially what the homeowner will see is the power will go off during a power cut, and then a few seconds later this system will kick back in and all the power will come back on. They'll then be in something called island mode, where they're powering the house up to 10 kilowatt of power from the batteries, and then when the grid comes back on, this will automatically switch them back over as well to grid power. That's pretty much this system in a nutshell. I won't go into too much detail, but if there's anything that you want to ask about this installation, we can talk you through how it all works, the costs of it as well, and what the system is anticipated to generate as well, with it being an 11 kilowatt system. This is a domestic property, I forgot to mention, so it's probably one of the bigger sort of sizes for domestic properties, but it is doable. Yeah, so if there's anything that you want to know, let us know.